Hello and welcome to not a proper classic, slightly different one today. First of all, excuse the outfit. As you'll probably see in a future video, we're still in the middle of painting and rubbing down Big Willie, so I'll be getting on a bit more of that this morning. But no, this video is slightly different, as no easy way to say it. I've sold the Mercedes. She's going later today to its new owner, who will look after it. He's always wanted one in this colour, and with Big Willie, the Fig, and the Yaris as the daily driver, we don't need 4 cars, so it's very much a case of this is one that can be moved on. I've had it for 3.5 years nearly now, which is longer than any other car I've had before, so yeah, I think it's time to move it on, be sensible for a little bit at least, and then once we're back in kind of on the game, Big Willie's done, I can then let the petrol headed me come out and work out what I want next. And I was thinking of doing a video on that anyway, you know, whether do I go full kind of midlife crisis, look at a TVR or a Lotus or something like that. I think they're a bit out of budget, sadly, and probably not the most reliable given my track record with cars. Probably not the best sensible thing to do, so I want something that's fun, that I'll enjoy, that is I can afford. Should in theory be reliable, but just that makes me smile. So kind of candidates at the moment are, if I can get a decent one in budget, if I can get one in budget, a Volvo 850R or V70R, possibly a Saab 900, ideally a turbo, but probably not the budget that I've got. But also I might jump on the JDM train. I don't know why. Might blame Johnny Smith for his Japanese taxi. I think he's got a Nissan Cedric, but I'd probably want a Toyota Crown Comfort, full Japan spec with doilies and everything, or Honda Beat, small 660 90s, early 90s K car, sports car. I guess it's kind of a distilled MR2 Mark III, which I've had before, but I don't need fast, I don't need practical. That's what the Yaris and Big Willie will be for. So yeah, that's also an option. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do next, and whether you'll be sad to see the Mercedes go. I guess it's kind of going to be a new era for the channel. My videos, still going to do them. There's plenty of work still to do on not only what will be the slightly smaller, not a proper classic fleet, but the extended, I guess, kind of family fleet as well, and dailies and everything else. So there'll still be plenty of videos, plenty of content coming. There might be some more stuff from Japan soon as well. So yeah, there you go. That's kind of what it is. It's 3.5 minutes of waffle, basically, to say I've sold my car, but I've sold my car, and it's going to its new owner. So this will be the last video on the Mercedes C124 220 CE. The new owner, look after her. He'll, I know you will, but yeah, look after her. And everyone else out there, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think I should get next, and what will be a fun, interesting, but a little bit sensible in terms of reliability. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've got anything you think I might be interested in for sale in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you next time, when it may be the full painting video for Big Willie. It's a bit of a marathon, but we are getting there. But anyway, enough waffle. See you later, guys.